Welcome to the tutorial on using Business Source Complete, one of the library's business, marketing, and economics databases. To begin, we'll start at the BMCC homepage. Here you can find all of our databases underneath the Databases tab. To make it easy, you can go to Select a Subject, find the subject of choice. We will be using Business, Marketing, and Economics, and select Go. Business Source Complete is listed right at the top as one of our best bets. If you're using the database from home, you will need to log in with your CUNY login credentials. Business Source Complete gives you access to lots of different articles, newspapers, and journal articles based on business. You can use the advanced search, similar to our OneSearch. Type in your relevant keywords. As you type, you'll notice some good keyword options. Depending on your topic, we always suggest adding another keyword. You also have lots of options to limit your results. One of the most popular options is to limit the publication date. You can also limit by publication type. SWOT analysis is very common for business. You can also limit by document type, language, pages, and lots of other types of limits. Once you hit search, your results will load. Here, you will get lots of different items related to the terms and keywords you have selected. You will also still have the option to add more filters if you so need to. Once you find an article that's worth your time, you can click on the title. We always suggest reading the first page, which often includes an abstract of what the article is about. And once you're ready, you can open the full text of the article and read to your heart's content. You can also download the article to your device. We hope that you have found this information useful. If you ever find that you need help using the databases, you can always reach out to us.